Here we have the Mercedes or Bosch fuel injection system known as KJet. These are mechanical fuel distributors, and here we've rebuilt them, but we're replacing the all-important inline filter, also known as just a union, but there is actually a fitting with a filter inside it. The one without a filter is known as the return line, which is typically this one. Now when we rebuild it, this is one item we will definitely replace. Most places will not, you won't get this inside of any kind of a rebuild kit. This is something that we do as a service. We also provide a testing service. For example, this unit came to me yesterday and it had no fuel supply to the injectors apparently, but when we tested it, we cleaned it up and it was injecting fine. We tested it for a little while and it was injecting perfectly, but it is going to receive a new filter and O-ring. You can buy these as part of a kit or separately from our website, which is classicmercedes.co.uk. We also do all the rebuild service for all these. So yep, keep your classics alive, people.